place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheater, do you feel better? Now that you...
Okay, the sun has come out. We're out of the rain. And we just stopped to get something to eat. I asked this man not to feed me because I'll be sleepy in a minute. But this is a lot more pleasant than it was when we started out on this morning, and all that rain and thunder and threat of tornadoes. But we're closer, 3 hours away, and it's sunny. I think I'm going to get to ride all the way in and not have to drive. What? What?
You think?
I think. So.
We couldn't even drive her brand new car.
Shh. Shh.
Where they do that at?
Because yours is bigger. We had more stuff. All this would not have gotten in my little SUV. No.
I'd have made it fit.
No, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't.
I'd have made it fit like that doctor made his knee fit.
No. No. Oh, no. We won't be doing that. So anyway, guys, we're going to continue to roll along. We'll be popping in and out.
Coming round a mountain, she come. She'll be coming round a mountain, she come.
I didn't know this came with a concert.
Coming round a mountain, she'll be coming round a mountain, she'll be coming round a mountain when she come. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she come. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she come.
So hit me up, you know it's all I'm waiting for. Oh, would you hit me up? I've been waiting my whole life. Oh, for you to hit me up. I've never felt this way. I wanna turn back time, save me some heartbreak. Would you stay for me if I let you in? So secretly, yeah, my melody, yeah, my melody. Would you stay with me if I let you in? I just like the way you are, yeah. All the ways you blow my mind, yeah. People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are, and now I want it all. The way you move, I've been following every move you make, 'cause I love the way you make me move when I'm around you. I feel so calm, so glad I found you. With the way you move, I'm gonna make a move. I'll make a move. Oh, would you stay for me if I let you in? So secretly, you are my melody, yeah, my melody. Would you stay with me if I let you in? I just like the way you are, yeah. All the ways you blow my
Friends, this just goes to show you how much I love my group of friends. I have a fear of heights, and I let them talk me into riding on the tram. Now, I was scared to death, and one of my friends had a hand that I squeezed a lot, but I did it. And when we got down, she said, "Well, now you can say you did it." And I can. And it was a beautiful ride, as you can see. The mountains in front of us, the tops of the trees, just coming into, just going out because we were going from one side of the mountain to another. It was only like a 10-minute ride, maybe. Seemed like an hour to me, but the beauty of it all, I'll never erase that from my brain. So thanks, Elisa.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed.
And I can stay in line to get my
I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we mess up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to
live.
and as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse?
I want to love. Oh, of course. Let me see now. She got so excited. Okay, I want that.
You said you were doing this.
Oh! Over here. But they're telling you what they want, boo. So friends, when we got to the other side of the mountain and off the tram, this is what we found. It was a shopping area. They had eating area. You could get a drink. And then they had ice skating and ice bumper cars. This was so much fun to watch. I didn't ride any. I'm behind the counter. But it was so much fun to watch. So friends, I wanted to share our home away from home. It was beautiful. It was 5 bedrooms, and each bedroom had its own bath. Then we had the kitchen, and we had a living area on all 3 floors. First floor, large TV, sitting area next to the kitchen. Third floor is where the gaming was, and another TV and sitting area. And the bottom floor had the hot tub and all of that. It was really another TV and sitting area. Let me throw that in there. But it was really, really a beautiful place. And if you're interested in doing something like this, I have the perfect travel agent for you. So we loved the cabin, but when we got there and we were looking around, there were animals everywhere. Heads and full animals and animals that had done a kill like this one. I mean, they were just everywhere. And we were kind of taken aback when we first got there, but we mellowed out, we settled in, and we kind of got used to it. We even started naming some of them, like this was Uncle Charlie, the bear on the wall. And the big, I don't know, moose head or whatever it is, that was, maybe that was Uncle Charlie. Anyway, we named them, so we kind of got used to them. But then we ran into the real bear, coming up soon. I know it looks like they're running away from us, but we actually sent them away because we had a birthday to celebrate as well. And so we had to get back to the cabin and do some decorating with the balloons and get the food ready. And he was so surprised. However, his birthday was in January, but she waited until we all got together to give him his birthday party. It was fun. We just have such a good time together. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this little travel trip with us. It was a whole lot of fun, and I wanted to share it with you. My shout out this week again is to the Travel Diva. If you're interested in a trip like this, a couple's weekend with just you and your honey, or a couple's weekend with you and friends, or girlfriend's weekend, she's the one that can do it for you. I'll leave her link in the description box below. And if you're new here, I want to say welcome. Usually this is a lifestyle channel all about cleaning, organizing, shopping, decorating, and anything that has to do with the home. But this time we had a home away from home, and I wanted to share that with you as well. It's also lifestyle. So for all my long time and my ride or dies, I want to say thank you. You know how I feel about you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And to my new subscribers, I want you to know that I see you, and I'm so very pleased, humbled, and blessed that you're here with me and you've decided to spend some time with me. So friends, with that said, we're going to go down this mountain, and I hope you've enjoyed traveling with us just a bit. And I'm going to see you in the next video. I want to remind you to find something today to bring joy into your life. And once you find it in yours, share it with someone else. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.